flexible floor plan located in a quaint community, nestled in a serene environment with water frontage and nearby popular schools. It is an ideal place to call home. As you walk in, you are immediately greeted by the breathtaking private pool, ideally situated with a water frontage view. It's the perfect spot to entertain guests or relax on hot summer days. The house offers an open floor plan with high ceilings, crown moldings, large living areas, a big kitchen, and a huge family room with pool access, creating a welcoming ambience. The flow of the kitchen layout is perfect, and the center island has power, making meal preparation and entertaining a breeze. The kitchen is ready for updating, which provides the exciting opportunity to add your personal touch and make it your own. As a split floor plan, the primary suite offers instant access to a den or nursery, which can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Like the additional tube, the primary bath has been recently remodeled, ensuring a modern and sophisticated look. The primary bath features a seamless glass walk-in shower, a large garden tub, a double vanity with granite, and upgraded cabinets. There is also a private water closet and 2 separate walk-in closets. The primary bedroom also has instant access to the patio and pool, making it easy to step outside and enjoy the gorgeous views. The family room features built-ins and is centrally located, creating the perfect space to relax and spend quality time with loved ones. There are 3 other bedrooms, with one of them being a suite. The other 2 remodeled bathrooms are very nice, with granite and upgraded showers, providing luxurious amenities. The screened enclosed pool and patio are large and offer a great view of the waterfront pond, creating a tranquil ambience. The community features a waterfront park with basketball, a play area, and a community library, providing endless outdoor activities and entertainment opportunities. Nearby shopping is also A+, with Winter Garden Village located less than 5 miles away. Moreover, this house is equipped with modern amenities such as new plumbing, a new sprinkler timer, and a 2015 HVAC system, which ensures a comfortable living experience. The roof was also replaced in 2013, providing peace of mind for the future, and the 3-car garage offers the parking space you require. Lastly, with easy access to major roads such as the 408 Turnpike and 429 commuting to downtown Orlando I-4 and the Altamont Mount Dora area is a breeze.